Welcome. This video focuses on one key subject, that is the difference between contamination and multiplication. It's absolutely vital to understand this prior to taking the Level 3 Food Safety exam. So a hazard is anything with the potential to cause harm, and the first hazard we're going to look at is contamination. Contamination is things getting on the food, for example, physical objects getting on the food, or bacteria getting on the food, or allergens getting on the food, or chemicals getting on the food. To summarise then our four types of contamination: physical, microbiological, chemical and allergenic. The next hazard we're going to have a look at is microbiological multiplication. That is bacteria growing on the food. Bacteria multiply by splitting in half, and in the right conditions they can multiply rapidly into very large numbers. Now let's talk about the controls for these hazards. So controls. First of all, controls to prevent contamination. In other words, how we're going to stop things getting on the food. First of all, buying from reputable suppliers. Secondly, we can cover the food. We could also cover the food handler, such as with plasters or hair nets. We can also store the food correctly, so raw beneath ready to eat and chemicals separately. And we can remove the bacteria by washing hands or the two-stage clean. Then finally, we have our controls for multiplication, stopping the bacteria growing. For example, ensuring we apply date codes or keep all the food in the fridge below 8 degrees to ensure bacteria can't multiply, don't have the time to multiply, or don't have the right temperature to multiply.